Welcome to
Ate Nanay Nanay
Vlogs!
Guys, sorry I have hiccup. I don't know why. Maybe I should drink water, okay? Guys, you wait. I need to drink water, okay?
Yan guys, mega love shoutout po sa lahat. And humihingi po ako ng paumanhin kasi hindi po natuloy yung LS ko or birthday LS para kay Ate Nene nitong August. Ang plano ko kasi bago siya mag-birthday, nag-birthday siya ng...
Okay guys, I'm back! Now you can talk now.
Nag-birthday siya nitong August 27. Kaya lang, nasira po yung laptop ko. Kaya...
Yeah, Nanay laptop cannot work now. She take to a laptop shop but not working.
Yeah.
She take 2 shops a day with Kuya Masud and me.
Yeah. O, diba alam niya. Dinala ko po sa paggawaan. Kaya lang, hanggang ngayon...
And guys, Nanay and me, we are best friends forever. Guys, I will show you something. Guys, I have some biscuits.
Oh, yan.
This is from
Wait, I will finish.
Mariam.
From Ate Maya. Oh, wait ha, I will finish. Okay? Yun guys, and tuloy pa rin yun. Yung birthday LS ko. Kaya lang hindi ko pa masabi kung kailan. Pero tuloy po iyon. Napangako ko na po iyon na magbibigay kahit kaunti or magpapalaro ko, may maglalaro. Yan. Yung pong ruleta ko, nandun pa rin yun. Yeah, wait. Nandun pa rin yun, paikutin ko pa rin yun, pipili pa rin ako, tsaka yung may surprise ako. Yun, tuloy po yun guys ha. Basta abang-abang na lang at continue po kayo sa pag-comment sa aming mga video.
Guys!
Yun guys,
see,
nag-vlog lang ako para masabi sa inyo na tuloy po yun.
Guys, I have unicorn and Nanay and me, she wants song from us. We need to sing together. Nanay, let's sing.
Okay.
Let's sing. We are best friends forever.
Okay.
I will say 1, 2, 3, we start.
Okay.
So guys, now we're gonna sing the song. We need to do faster. Nanay, you are my best